Hi, I'm Carolyn Forster and today we're going to be looking at a favourite block of mine, which is the Rose Star One Patch. And the fun thing for me about this block is that it only needs one patchwork shape. And you probably got the idea about that because it was called a Rose Star One Patch. So the shape that we're using for this is the little kite shape. And the kite was one of the shapes that we used in the sunflower hexagon quilt. And then when it finishes, if I show you the back, you can see the pressing of the units and the directions that they go in. And again, that's all easy and straight line sewing. So I hope some of you will be making your Rose Star One Patches and you get lots of inspiration and ideas from the one that's behind me.